Good morning, good morning. Today is Tuesday and we are going to ride Alpe d'Huez. So, the problem with Alpe d'Huez is that where we are staying, it is going to take us about 2 hours in the car to get there. So, it's too far for us to cycle unless we were having a massive day. So, we've decided to drive there. It's going to take 2 hours. So, we're just setting up the car now and then we're setting off. So, join us for Alpe d'Huez. I've got my GoPro, I've got my camera, so you'll be seeing all of the climb.
Two hours, are we ready to suck it up?
Yup, let's go.
Bring it on.
It's a bit close. Woo, woo. So 2 hours later, we are in Bourg de San, I think that's how you pronounce it, and Alpe d'Huez is literally up that road there. So many cyclists, there's like signs for like Tour de France, and like you know, you can see it's like a, where is it? It's like a massive metal bike, like a big kind of display thing in the middle of the roundabout, and oh my god, like look at all these mountains. This is pretty epic, so yeah, feeling very excited. Getting the bikes out now. I'm just gonna stretch the old legs off and then get going up Alpe d'Huez. We definitely did do it. I think we're higher than the actual where the segment ends. It's like, look where we are. There was a bit of a panic, not that it really matters, but I was like, where's the end of the segment? Where's the end of the segment? But, oh well. It's beautiful though. Absolutely stunning. Right, let me show you behind. Look at those mountains. Ah. What did you think of it, Greg?
Beautiful. Hey all you little kookaburras.
It was nice though, wasn't it? It's like beautiful. Nice. I think we were saying before, like it's better than all like the little narrow switchbacks where we're near where we're staying.
Definitely. It's not, I don't think this climb is overhyped.
No, I don't. I think it's pretty spectacular.
Yeah.
Like, look where we are now. There's a car, but like, look at that.
One car every 5 minutes.
But I think it's because you can see the snow. I think that's what makes it just so unreal. Love it.
Made all the better with some sugar at the end.
Absolutely. Right, should we head back down? Let's go and see the others. So we're still at the top of Alpe d'Huez, and now we're just having a little snack as usual from the supermarket. So we've got some French baguette, some salad, some orange juice. That food was actually so good. And so now we're just going to go up a little bit further because Richard's been here before. He said there's like a really pretty viewpoint. I mean, it's all pretty spectacular, but we're just going to carry on a little bit more. And as a climb, it is absolutely spectacular. It is definitely worth the hype because there's so much hype around this climb. It is just beautiful, absolutely stunning. Absolutely loved climbing it. All Francais. All Francais?
C'est magnifique. C'est très magnifique.
Très magnifique. Good effort, Jay. Although he keeps us saying gracias rather than merci. I can't even explain how amazing this is. Like, I just feel very, very lucky to be here. Just amazing. How incredible is this? Oh my god! That's got to be one of the nicest bits of road I've ever seen. Like, look, not road, but the view. Absolutely incredible. Look at that. I can't even tell you how incredible that is. Oh my god. Wow. Just wow. Oh my gosh, this is just incredible. And again, amazing views, and then get to see all the switchbacks. Just gets better, doesn't it? Absolutely amazing. So basically, Alpe d'Huez is that way, and as you can see that they're all like sorting out all the roads, like putting tarmac down ready for the Tour de France. So very, very exciting day. Now we're trying to fit the 4 bikes back into the car. All wheels are off and just frames are in the back. It is sweltering, it's like 32 degrees. And we are finished now, so we're just going to have the couple of hours drive back. But that was, oh my gosh, I just feel so grateful that I was able to go and ride that, because it was just, I can't even tell you how good. The descent especially was just beautiful. Just kept seeing all these beautiful lands. Oh, sorry, these beautiful lands. What were you even doing? Sorry.
I was banana photo bombing.
Banana photo bombing. What did you think to it? I was saying like how amazing it was.
The banana, it's pretty good.
Afterwards, Megan, how do you think?
Awesome, really good.
So good, wasn't it?
Really good. I really like the descent.
That's what I was just saying. Like, it's nice going up, but the descent was just spectacular.
I think what I've learned, I don't like switchbacks on a bike.
Oh really?
No, not really.
I do like a switchback.
Too much on the brakes.
Yeah, definitely
I like
is.
long, flowing, fast descent.
Actually, yeah, I would agree with that. Which that was. There was just every corner you went around, just beautiful, different views, and. I mean, if you've been and done it, let me know what you thought of it, because I think that is one of the best climbs, descents I've ever done. Just definitely worth the hype.